What is a deep hair conditioning treatment? Deep conditioning treatments feature many benefits. They restore the hair's natural shine and luster. They also moisturize the scalp, which reduces itching and flaking. Many deep conditioning treatments are designed for color or chemically treated hair, which has a tendency to become dry and dull. Thanks for watching. Just follow the link in description. Get Cocoa and Eve Fig Hair Mask at best offer when you order today. Please subscribe our channel and do like and share this video.